How's Mom's chicken taste? Is it sour?
Oh God, it's not as.
Sit. Sit.
He's used to it now.
Would you like some rice?
Baby!
Some rice?
Oh my God.
Is rice good? Here, wait. You gotta eat rice off the fork. There you go. Would you like some more rice? Okay, good. How about some more rice?
Baby,
Some more rice?
he's gonna be so sick. Stop.
Okay, go.
Clean up your mess,
Yeah,
Ranger.
clean up the table.
Now that I
Good.
just polished it.
It's okay, all our friends eat off that. Oh, some rice.
Baby, stop.
Sit. Sit. Gentle. Lick my fingers.
Leave
I'll
it.
just lick some more rice.
Okay, you're done. Go to your bed,
Go to bed.
please.
Ranger, go to bed. He's like, I don't like it. I don't know what your problem is.
It tastes orangey. The first time I saw it, he was like...
Seek. Seek. Nope. Go to your bed. Go. Go to bed.